So hello everybody and welcome back to another exciting episode of Cooking with Emily. It's snowing outside. Oh, quiet you. This is Motor. She is my rescue cat. She's 14 years old. Well, she'll be 14 years old this year. I kiss my cat, yes. Let go. Let go. Let go, there we go. So we have on the docket bacon and eggs. How's my bacon? It smells okay. It hasn't been in there for very long. This time I turned down the TV so you're not going to hear the TV in the background. There we go. I just finished my workout downstairs because, like I said, it's snowing outside. And the month of March sucked. Like, it really sucked. Province declared state of emergency on my birthday, which I kind of think is badass. Like, how often does that happen, right? Hey, how's it going? Oh, province is scared. You know, province shut down on my birthday. Am I still in frame? Nobody cares. So, that happened. I fell way behind on my videos because my laptop grew a set of legs. And we'll leave that at that, because I don't want to get into that. That bacon is sure a different color than this bacon. So I think I'm just going to throw that bacon out. And I'm going to put on some different bacon. Oh yeah, this bacon feels a lot better. Bacon. So I just finished my workout downstairs. So the gyms are closed, so I got to work out downstairs. Did a GCN training video. Really good. It was a 22-minute strength training video. And we're going to put on, I'm hungry, 5 strips of bacon. I feel like I want to repeating myself quite often. But yes, the month of March sucked. And I'm not going to go too much into that. Right, Motor? Eggs. Ham. Okay. Put the lid back on there. Cooking oil. So what does that mean for my channel? Probably bad. The parks are closed. Oops. Let's turn that on. So the parks are closed right now. Of course, we just also had a foot of snow on the weekend. But the parks are closed. And I can't really leave the province. So what does that really mean for my channel? I don't know. I have some video from Moab still, from October. It's March 8th. I still haven't been on my bike. So, I don't know. I'll try and do what I can. Road riding is not the most exciting to YouTube, though. Come on, egg. Hurry up. Just separate. Social distance, you egg. Yeah, I caught myself. Fine. Trying to keep my diet up. That one's hard. That one's really hard. Because what do you want to do when you sit at home on your butt? You want a snack. So I got a fridge full of chicken, steaks, bacon, and eggs. And Cadbury mini eggs. They were on sale, so I decided to buy 2 bags. What could go wrong? I'll exercise twice a day. What could go wrong? Oh. Stupid egg. How can something be so simple as separating an egg? Be such a pain in the ass. So I did have plans this year. Like I said, I was going to go to Whistler Bike Park. It's not really ruled out, but it's just not sure it's going to happen. So I don't know. How's my bike ride in Vancouver going to go? I also don't know. Because I don't think I can leave the province. And if I can go as far as Saskatchewan. Hey, bike up the hills in Saskatchewan. If you're wondering, yes, I'm still in my pajamas. Who cares? Right? Who cares? Not like anybody's going to see me anyways. So, I had other plans of doing a lot of downhill mountain biking this year. And once again, I don't know. Now all of a sudden, Pro Masters and Sprinters are dirt cheap. Where'd my knife go? Here it is. Get that off. And I don't know. Camper van was a good idea. That saved me a lot of money. Cut up my ham. Cut my ham this way. Yeah, it smells good. Should I do more cooking with Emily videos? Ham in there. A little of the Spice Weasel. So, well, I do have a lot of... I don't even have that much video from Moab to edit. But anyways. Yeah. I had big plans this year. I still had my U.S. Parks Pass. So Easter weekend, my plan was to go to the Heads in the Rock. Mount Rushmore. But obviously I can't cross the state line, so that out the window. Montana! Montana, come here, Montana! Montana! Come here, Montana, come here. Come here. And this is Montana. He was my birthday present to myself. He is an Australian Shepherd. Right? Are you an Australian Shepherd? Are you licking my face? People are going to be like, ah, don't let your dog lick your face. Okay. Go play with the cats. I'm done with you. Be gone. He likes Motor. Motor. Got egg on my pajamas. Motor and him sort of get along. Him and Tiguan sort of get along. Him and Bungalow don't want to deal with the dog. So I don't turn on my eggs until I flip my bacon. So now that I've flipped my bacon, I turn on my eggs. Because it's all about timing. Because I don't want my bacon done too soon and then have to have it cool off for a long time before my eggs are done. Now that that's out of the way. So what am I doing this year? I don't know. I did have a couple bike rides planned that might happen. Might not happen. I'm going to have to see. Play it by ear. Figure it out. Maybe, like I said, more cooking with Emily. Beautiful screenshot. All the dog hair and cat hair flying around above my food. A good good picturing dog hair. Well, that's because I put the dog above my friggin' food. I have hot dogs, potatoes, motor. Wouldn't this make a good live stream? I need more people to where I can live stream stuff. So, that's basically it. That's my update on... Like, I did want to take my channel in a different area. And, like, film less. Because I didn't want to spend my summer editing video every weekend. I wanted to ride. So I don't know how this really... Maybe only film my holidays kind of deal, but... Right now I have no holidays. Should I pull out my little Coleman barbecue and cook burgers on the front step and film that? Should I film my workouts? I don't know. Oh, it's Family Guy. But, holy shit, it is snowing outside again. So I'm going to let you go and I'm going to get back to my bacon and eggs and ham and my mini Cokes, because I believe smaller Cokes helps you control your consumption of it. Drinking in moderation. They also take up less room. And they were on sale. So, take care, stay safe, and try and have as much fun as you can being stuck in your house. Apparently it looks like I'm having lots of fun. Look at this bacon go. Flip it in a minute. Cook. Bye-bye.